Prasanna from 9th standard B section. I am in Gurukulam Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Water purification. Water purification is the process of removing undesirable chemicals, biological contaminants, suspended solids and gases from water. This device that purifies water. One major purpose of water purification is to provide clean drinking water. There are three methods of water purification. They are reverse osmosis, distillation, water purification. My project is distillation, water purification. People as far back as 200 AD have used the process of water distillation. The original water distillation processes were most commonly used to distill seawater into fresh water. Here I am using different types of layers like sand, pebbles and sponge. After that I give electricity by motor to this. The water will transfer from seawater to the distilled water purifier. Larger operations use multiple effect distillers that allow them to provide from 75 gallons up to millions of gallons of distilled water per day. They contain multiple boiling chambers, allowing for more water to be distilled at a time. Now we will see the working mechanism. Here we have pure water. Your water distillation is very useful for our environment and for our life. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.